Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting with a quick overview between the bullish and the bearish scenarios to see what is the highest possibility, what it might happen for XRP in this area. Is it bearish or is it bullish? So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finishing wave 1 or a wave A in the blue count. In your wave 1, you would like to see here 3 corrective waves, the same for the wave A by the way, and of course finishing wave 2 or a wave B, meaning you are in a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 for your yellow count, much more higher impulse toward the upside. In case you are in the blue count, you are in a zigzag A, B and a C of course as well. You would like to see higher prices. The difference is that the wave C can reach only the 1-to-1 fib level, while the wave 3 should overshoot the 1-to-1 fib level, and also having 4 and a 5 wave even for higher prices. Therefore, if you are bullish, of course, you would like to have an impulse here, right? So for the bearish scenario, you have a bigger corrective wave here. And before getting a wave 2 or a wave B, probably this correction is not finished yet, even knowing that it is 5 years correction. So probably that, of course, you still have a wave C to finish here, kind of, because of course the high is not taken yet. Yeah? Therefore, it can still looking like 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down to reach the 1-to-1 fib level, of course at 0.095. This is your ultimate bearish scenario, which is the most lowest possibility right now. Yeah, so it's a very far possibility. Much higher possibility on the weekly here is for the bullish, of course. Let's move to the daily. On the daily, of course, after having this big correction, finishing with a wave Y or a wave 2 or a wave B, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, we can, of course, definitely say that, okay, this impulse is finished probably from the daily, that it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But if we get inside it, we don't see an impulse to the wave 5, a clear impulse. Yeah, so we see 1, 2, 3. Whereas the 4 and a 5 is missing. Therefore, you have to still consider this as a corrective wave since at the top here, meaning you have 1, 2, 3, 4, still, of course, finished probably and moving towards the upside. Probably finished and probably, of course, not. We're gonna see this even much more closer on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, as you can see, after this correction, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, you're looking for a wave C definitely here, right? So this is your wave C. Because you would like to catch, of course, an expanding flat here. Of course, your expanding flat can be impulsive, and in this case scenario, you have 5 waves, but this looks like a very expanding diagonal, which is the most rare case scenario to see this pattern unfolding. However, if that happened, it's fine. It is a wave C. It has to be impulsive 5 waves. Probably finished at 0.23 perfectly for a wave 4, and this is exactly what we would like to see. A finished wave 4, of course, for this impulse toward the upside. And of course, in that case scenario, you are looking for higher prices. However, the problem comes here. If we are looking for higher prices, this is not impulsive. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 3 waves down, continuation, and of course confirmation for bullish. We did not get this pattern here. We got 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 3 waves up probably currently. Yeah, so the scenario here is not really impulsive unless you would like to transform this into a zigzag. If this is a zigzag, kind of, yeah, you would like, of course, to move for higher as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and then formation of kind of like a zigzag for a wave 1. You tell me, of course, wave 1, but I mean, it looks like still 3 waves. That's true. The only way to move, of course, for higher impulsively is your contracting ending diagonal, which it can be all 5 waves as zigzags. In case this happen, then we are bullish. Currently, we cannot really call for a very bullish scenario unless we get those 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation towards the upside. Yeah, so far we can say that we are still probably looking for lower where you probably still have, of course, unfinished impulse, where you have here probably 1, 2, 3, 4, not invalidated yet. As you can see, your invalidation for bearish scenario is this price. We did not took it yet, right? So we are still in a big impulse toward the downside. A, B, and a C probably finished and looking for one more wave for lower prices. Now, what would happen if we finish this, of course, scenario? Then I would say we have to call the whole thing here as W, X, and a Y. Your wave Y is also a W, X, and a Y as well. So the problem is here where you have to call W for a zigzag, X, very shallow, and your wave Y is an impulse correction impulse. Yeah, very complicated correction, I would say. Yeah? WXY, your wave Y is a WXY. Yeah, so very complicated. It can be, all right, it can be, and it has some possibility because we are not very impulsive here, right? Now let's take a look at KGT for XRP. So looking at XRP on the 15-minute chart, as you can see, we have a very strong sell signal from the top here after this move toward the downside. Now, as you can see as well, invalidation for the bullish scenarios or bullish signals because we have conversion and not divergence with the price action. And not good for the bulls at all. And we have a very strong convergence from the tops here. And of course, we're still looking for lower prices, meaning, of course, higher possibility, guys, goes for the bearish scenario. That was it for XRP. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.